Hello everyone and welcome to a quick WordPress tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to add a favicon to WordPress. Favicons are those little images that you see in your favorites, as well as at the top of the browser tab. And as you can see, my page has no own favicon yet. So I want to show you how to add one, and this is quite simple. At first you log into your WordPress page. Now you go to Appearance and Customize. You switch to the Site Identity tab, and at the bottom you can select a site icon. Now you can choose one from the media library or upload a new favicon. For this example I will upload a new icon. So I go to Select Files and I select this one. And after the upload we click on Select, we click on Crop Image so that it fits the necessary conditions. And now we are done. And as you can see, my site already has the new favicon. So as you can see, it's very easy to add a new WordPress favicon to your site. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Your tutorial guy. Bye.